Hello, assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the lecture of information technology for standard 12th. We are in continuation with the chapter advanced Javascript. We are doing revision of this chapter. This is the 38th lecture of this chapter, that is advanced Javascript. Okay, now we will start. Before starting our lecture, let me tell you one thing, that the about the online practice on oilylearn.com. Every students of standard 12th IT are informed that they have been registered on oilylearn.com. So please log in with your registered contact number. If you are not able to log in into OilyLearn, please click on forgot password. When you click on forgot password, it will ask your registered contact number. You just provide your registered contact number on that, and you will get your password on the provided contact number. Okay, so if you are facing any problem regarding password or regarding your login, so please click on forgot password and provide your registered contact number which you have given in 11th standard. Okay, so after that you will get your password on your registered contact number which you have provided. Okay, now please do solve all the practice papers as your lectures are going on. Every chapter is about to finish, so please do solve your practice papers, okay, like chapter wise exam as well as full exam. So you can reattempt the papers. If you are once you are finished with all the papers, you can reattempt those papers. Okay, so do practice, please do practice, do solve all the chapter wise exam and all the full exams. Okay, if you have any problem regarding your login, or if you don't get your papers on your login, so please do contact with your respective IT teachers. Okay, do contact with any of the IT teacher. Got it? So every student of standard 12th are already registered on OilyLearn. Okay, just like in 11th standard you have registered, here also you have registered for 12th standard. So please log in with your registered contact number. Okay, if you are facing any problem in login, so click on forgot password. You will get your password on your provided contact number. Okay, and please solve all the practice papers there. Got it? Now we will start with our lecture. Now our next lecture is about switch case statement. We already have seen this switch case statement in previous lectures. Now today we are going to do revision of this switch case statement. Why we use this switch case statement? See, this is the diagram of switch case statement. So here in switch case statement there is an expression. Okay, here before starting the case value, here there is an expression. With that expression you are supposed to match the case value. If the case value match with the expression provided by you, if it is matched, if the match found here, then it will return true. If the value return true, then statement 1 will get executed. Got it? If statement 1, if the case value 1 doesn't match with the expression provided, that means it will return false. If it is returning false, then case 2 value will check with the expression. Okay, if this case 2 value will is matched with the expression provided by you, then it will return true. If this case 2 will return true, then statement 2 block will get executed. Okay, and then it will give a break here only and will end the program. But if it doesn't match with the expression provided by you, then it will return false. If the value return false, it will go and check case 3 value. If case 3 value return true, then it will execute the third block and will give a break and end the program. But if this doesn't match with the switch case expression, then it will come out and will execute this default block, and then after that it will end the program. This is a simple diagram of switch case statement. Okay. Now after this we will see the syntax of switch case. See, this is the syntax of switch case expression, where there is a statement, there is a keyword switch and then an expression. This expression is provided by you. The value of this expression is provided by the user. Okay, so this expression value passes into this switch case block. Then case 1 value, here value 1 will match with this. Here we will match the value 1 with the expression provided by you. If the match found, that means it will return true, and then statement 1 block will get executed, and then we'll give a break here and we'll skip all these statements and will come out of this loop switch case block. But if there is no match found with value 1 and expression, then it will avoid this block and will come into case 2 value. Okay, case value 2, and this case value 2 will check with this expression provided by you. If the match found with value 2, then it will execute this statement 2 and will give a line break and will come directly out of the loop or statement block. But if match not found, then it will return false and will come here and will execute the case value 3 block. If case value 3 block matches with the expression provided by you, then it will execute statement 3 block. Okay, here it will execute this case 3 value block. If it is not true, then it will avoid all these, it will skip all these values and will directly come and check default value. Okay, if there is no match found in case value 1, case value 2, case value 3, case value n, then it will come into default 1 and the default statement will get executed, the default statement will get printed, and then it will come out of the statement block, switch case block. So this is all about the switch case expression, where there is an expression provided by you. This expression will match with value 1, value 2, value 3. If any of these values are matched with the expression, then it will execute the statement block. If no match found, then it will directly execute the default block and the default statement will get executed. And there is no possibility of duplicate record. Okay, so the value 1, value 2, value 3, these are the separate entity. There is no match, there is no duplicate record of this value 1, value 2, value 3. That means you cannot give case value 1 and case value 2 similar. Okay, these are the unique values, value 1, value 2, value 3, these are the unique values. You cannot continue, you cannot copy or you cannot duplicate the record here. Got it? So this is what syntax of switch case statement. See, this is the diagram of switch case statement and this is the syntax of switch case statement. Got it? Now we will move to the definition of switch case statement. The switch expression is evaluated once, right? This expression is first evaluated, then the value of the expression is compared with the value of each case. Here it will compare the expression value with all the cases one by one. Okay, So if there is a match found, then the associated block of the code is executed. If there is a match found, if expression and value 1 these are match, then it will execute the concerned statement and give a break and will come out of the switch case statement. Got it? So if there is a match found, then the associated block of the code is executed. If there is no match found, then the block is executed. Then the default code block is executed. If there is no match found, if value 1, value 2, value 3 these are not matched with the expression, then it will directly execute the default statement. Okay, got it? This is the definition of switch case statement. Now we will see one example of this. See, this is a very simple example where you are going to ask the user to enter the value between 0 to 6, where 0 means Sunday, 1 means Monday, 2 means Tuesday, 3 means Wednesday, 4 means Thursday, 5 means Friday, and 6 means Saturday. So here you have provided the value. Select day code 0 to 6, where 0 means Sunday, 1 means Monday, and so on, 6 means Saturday. So user is going to enter the value between 0 to 6. So if suppose user will enter 0 and will click OK, then it should display today is Sunday. If user enters 1, then it should display today is Monday. If the user display 2, then it should display today is Tuesday. If user will enter 3, then it should display today is Wednesday. For 4, Thursday. For 5, Friday, and for 6, Saturday. If user is supposed entering the value which is not listed here, if suppose user is going to enter 7 which is not valid, right? So it should display, sorry, please select the day between 0 to 6 only. Got it? So it should display what? Sorry, please select the day between 0 to 6 only. So for this you are supposed to design a form first. Okay, see the source code. See now here, so this is the coding where, okay, I have started script directly where day 1, okay, where day, there is a variable day, and day code is what? Here day code is the value accepted from the user. Okay, as user is going to enter the value between 0 to 6, so we first need to convert these value into integer value. Okay, so by using parse int we are going to convert the value between we are going to convert the value into integer value by using parse int method. So this parse int method will convert the accepted value from the prom box into integer value, and then we'll save that value into day code. So day code is a variable where we are going to accept the value prompt, select day code, then we have given that 0 is equal to Sunday, 1 is equal to Monday, and so on, and 6 is equal to Saturday. So user should enter the day code between 0 to 6 only. Got it? So when user will enter the code, it will convert that code into integer value, and then it will pass that value, it will save that value into day code. Got it? Then this day code value is going to be passed in switch statement. See here the expression, right? After switch keyword there is an expression. So as an expression we are going to pass the accepted value from the user. Suppose user is going to enter 5 or 2. Okay, user is going to enter 2 here, so this 2 is going to convert into integer value and then save into day code. So what is there in day code? 2 is there in day code. Okay, so that 2 value we are going to pass in expression. So switch case starts with switch keyword. After switch there is an expression, so we will pass that accepted value into this switch case. Okay, then case 0, as you are going to check the value between 0 to 6, so here you are going to use the same value which you are going to pass. Okay, you are going to accept the value between 0 to 6, so you are going to create the case like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, where if user will enter 2, this 2 code will pass here. Okay, and it will match with this case. Here it is 0 and the accepted value is 2. Is it match? No, there is no match found in this, right? Because the accepted value is 2 and here case is 0, no match found. So it will skip this block and will check the second case, case 1. Here the accepted value is 2 and the case is 1. Is there any match found? No, there is no match found in this, right? So it will again skip this block, this whole block, and will check the next case. The next case is case 2. User has entered 2, so the 2 and this case 2 match found here, right? Because user has entered 2, here the case value is also 2, so this 2 and 2 match found. So if the match found, it will execute the code block, right? So case 2 block is day is equal to Tuesday. We have assigned a day. Okay, we have assigned this value into this day. Got it? And then we'll give a line break. Sorry, not line break, we will give a break statement. So it will break the statement here only, and it will not check all these things. It will skip all these things. Okay, it will skip all these block and will directly come out of the loop. Okay, out of the loop here, and then it will execute the statement, that is document.write. That means it will display the statement on the screen by using document.write. Today is, what is there in day? The match found with the 2, right? Case 2. So in case 2 there is a day Tuesday, so it will display today is Tuesday. Got it? See here again, there is a match found with this 2 case, right? So day is equal to Tuesday. What we have assigned today? Tuesday, correct? Then it will come here and will display today is, and then the value of day is Tuesday. So today is Tuesday. It will display that today is Tuesday on the screen. Got it? If user suppose enters 6, so it will compare the value 0 with the accepted value, that is 6. The match is not found here, it will skip this block. It will again come here and will check with case 1. Again match not found, then it will come here and will check case 3, case 4, case 5, match not found. Then it will check case 6. Now in case 6 the value entered by user is 6, so the case 6 match found here, correct? The match found, then it will execute the case 6 block, that is day is equal to Saturday, and will display on the screen that today is Saturday. Got it? Now if suppose user is going to enter 9, right? So there is no case as 9, there is only case 6, right? So it will compare the case 1 value, case 2 value, case 3 value, case 4 value, case 5, case 6. There is no match found till case 6, right? So it will directly come out and will execute the default statement. If there is no match found with all the cases, then it will by default execute the default statement, that is day is equal to, sorry, please select the day between 0 to 6 only. So on the screen you will see today is, and then after that you will see, sorry, please select the day between 0 to 6 only. Got it? So this way you can create your program. See the output once again. See, this is the output. first it will ask you to enter the day. If suppose I am going to enter 0, then it will display what? It will compare the value and will display Sunday. Then I have explained you the case 2 value. So case 2 value is what? Tuesday. Then case 6 value, where 6 means Saturday. And then case 9 value, if I enter 9, then there is no match found, the default statement will get executed, that is, sorry, please select the day between 0 to 6. Correct? And suppose if user is going to enter any alphabet value, A, B, C, or any value, alphabet value, then it will pass NaN value, right? If there is, see here students, here if you pass any alphabet, so after converting into percent, there is not a number, right? It will return NaN as an output, it will return NaN in this day code. Okay, so there is no match found with all the cases, so it will display the default one, that is, sorry, please select the day between 0 to 6 only. Got it? Understood this? See the program once again. In this, there is no form, there is nothing. We directly accept the value from the user by using prompt box. After accepting the value, we will convert it into integer value, and then we will save that value into day code. Okay, then we will pass that day code into switch statement. So switch expression, instead of expression we will write day code here, because we are going to compare the value with this day code. Okay, then case 0, case 1, because we are going to accept the value between 0 to 6, so we will create the cases according to that only. We will create 6 cases, case 0, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, and case 6, and there is a default statement. If no match found, then it will execute this default block, that is, day is equal to, sorry, please select the day between 0 to 6 only. Got it? So if there is any problem, there is no match found, if this expression will not match with this cases, then it will directly execute the default block. Got it? So here the switch case statement. Okay, the expression is evaluated once. First, whatever expression is accepted from the user is evaluated first. Okay, then after that the value of the expression is compared with the value of each case. Okay, we will compare the value of the expression accepted from the user with each cases. If there is a match found, then it will return true. If it is returning true, the associated block of the code is executed. If it returning false, then it will skip that block and will match with another block. Okay, if there is no match found with all the cases, then it will execute the default block, okay, where the default statement will get executed. So this is the block diagram, where first it will evaluate the switch expression, then it will match the expression with all the cases. If the match found, then it will execute the statement block, respective statement block, and will come out of the loop. But if match not found, then it will directly come into default block. Okay, if match not found with any of the cases, then it will directly execute the default block and will end the program here only. Got it? So this is all about switch case. Now students, please do practice on OLE Learn, as every chapter is of IT is about to finish. So there are so many papers uploaded on your OLE Learn ID. So please practice there. If you are finished with all the papers, please reattempt all the papers. You can reattempt it. Okay, and if you have any problem in login, if you have any problem with your password, so please click on forgot password. You will get your password on your registered mobile number. If there is no paper available in your login ID, please contact with your respective IT teacher. Got it? Please do practice of all the papers. Okay, chapter wise exam as well as full exam. Thank you so much. We are going to stop here today. In next lecture we will continue with looping structure, that is for loop, while loop. Okay, thank you so much.